Welcome to Farm Finds. Have you ever heard of a guy named Jay Leno? How about another guy named Tom Cotter, aka the Barn Find Hunter? Well, what these two men have in common, other than loving classic cars, is that they are on the advisory board of a restoration program at McPherson College in Kansas. Well, I'm on my way there now for a early morning, cold. We had a cold front come through last night, but an early morning cars and coffee. And so I'd just like you to come along and see what they have set out. I made it to the Cars and Coffee at McPherson College, and when I pulled in the parking lot, they directed me just to park right among all the other cars here on the grass. So let's walk around and take a look at it. I can tell you what I already love about this is that it's not primarily show cars. It's just the driver, just like my old Chevelle. It's just the people driving their cars. They didn't wash them, they didn't clean them. There's a few show cars here, but the vast majority are just old cars that people love. There's a really cool MG. It's about 35 degrees and breezy out here, so not the greatest day to drive a convertible. Here's a 65 Buick Skylark. And as you can see, it's just a driver. Solid body. This Firebird really caught my eye. It's got an old period correct body kit. Looks like it's had a few knocks and crashes. Krager wheels, radial TAs, big fin in the back. I love what it says back here, Proud Bird. Plymouth Duster, got slicks on the back, tunnel ram. '66 Galaxy 500. Like this four-door Tempest. See if I can get a shot of the interior. Looks to be all original. 326 engine. Here we got a vintage Ford tow truck. Toner Ford, Caney, Kansas. Four-door Plymouth Fury, solid old car. Next to my old beater, it looks to be a all original Corvair. Really beautiful condition. It's got a turbocharged 180 horsepower engine. Here's a really nice solid 55 four-door. It's just a good example of the contrast of cars out here. You have a BMW, Jeep pickup, you have a rat rod, you have an old crusty Ford, you have a Corvette, you have a Montego, there's another Mustang, an Impala, Chevy pickup, and a really nice Belvedere GTX on the end. This GTX is just spotless and perfect. And it's really kind of an anomaly compared to a lot of the cars out here this morning, which is, like I said, what I love. This Chevy pickup is really cool. 6-cylinder, major framework, bags. It's going to be a cool pickup when it's done. Here's a little bit of an interesting unicorn, Pontiac Bonneville with a diesel engine. I heard that thing rattling when it came in. Well, it's time for me to head home now that it's warmed up. Thanks for watching.